Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's videos, we're going to make a big bike review for Honda Cb650r, and let's hear the engine and muffler sound of this naked bike from Honda. The new 2021 Honda Cb650r brings a very closer look to the new age of naked big bikes. The Cb650r is back for 2021, and Honda threw some changes at it. American Honda hasn't made these details official yet, so here's a sneak peek look at the 2021 Cb650r from Honda. Other updates include more forward set handlebars, improved LCD dash and USB Type-C socket under the seat, new side panels, accentuate and minimalist styling. Honda has always thrived on exploring new boundaries in design as well as engineering. In 2018, the CB1000R and CB300R and also the CB125R brought a fresh identity to its naked motorcycle lineup, mixing cafe racer inspirations with a forward-looking ultra-minimalist look under the new sports cafe design theme. One segment remained for the new aesthetics to find expressions, the hugely competitive naked middleweight arena, and in 2019, the Cb650r confidently looked into this role. Aimed at a young demographic that looks to show off in style and enjoy to the maximum a combination of accelerating four-cylinder engine performance and light, versatile, refined chassis handling, it has proved a great success. Building on the momentum for the 2021, the Cb650r receives a major front suspension upgrade, plus a range of detailed improvements from enhanced comfort, usability, and practicality. The major news of the Cb650r's update is application of 41mm Showa Separate Function Big Piston USD forks, high-quality suspension that further heightens the bike and handling ability. The 649cc double overhead cam 16-valve engine is tuned to create the purest, most enjoyable mid-size four-cylinder performance possible. With the classically look, fast pick-up to the rev range and hard-hitting, high-revving top end for which Honda's inline fours are renowned. At the peak power of 70 kW arrives at 12,000 RPM with a peak torque at 63 Nm, delivered at 8,500 RPM. An easy 35 kW conversion is available for A2 license holder. Through the 2021 update, the only changes to engine specification are for Euro 5 compliance. This has required revision to the ECU, cam lobes, intake timing, exhaust pipe, catalyst, and silencer, as well as the addition of a crank pulsar. The Cb650r steel diamond frame uses pressed swing arm pivot plates and twin elliptical spars with a rigidity balance specifically tuned stiffer around the headstock and more flexible in the spar section. Showa's Separate Function Big Piston SFF-BP 41mm USD fork are major upgrade. A pressure separation damper in 1/4 tube and spring mechanism in the other deliver high damping performance and a lighter weight. Together with the use of a large size piston, the result is increased feel, bump absorption and control, adjustable for 7-stage spring preload. The single-tube monoshock operates directly on the gravity die-cast aluminum swing arm. We added some cool carbon fiber accessories to make the bike lighter and will have a sexier look on the road. Four piston radial mount from the brake calipers work on 310mm wave pattern floating disc and are paired with a single piston rear caliper and 240mm disc. The ABS is a 2-channel system. And now let's have a quick test drive on this motorcycle. The Honda Cb650r engine specs. It has 94 horsepower at 12,000 RPM, 47 ft-lb torque at 8,500 RPM. It has 48 miles per gallon. Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC. Full Euro 5 compliance. And it also has assist slipper clutch. The Honda Cb650r styling and equipment. New side panels and rear mudguard. Number plate mount. It has handlebar angle increase for easier low-speed maneuvering. It also has LCD display, now easier to read USB Type-C socket under the seat. So now let's test this motorcycle in the highway, and let's have some high speed on it and just hear the sound. Let's go. that's all for this Honda CB650R review. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated with my latest video uploads. See you on my next video.